What's up, everybody? I came on here to address this bull fucking shit claim that I cheated.
Lies.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that I don't cheat. I never taken steroid. I don't even know where to get steroids. At the end of the day, I barely, take supplements. They're saying it's coming from the ashwagandha. That's fucking retarded. So, at the end
Lies.
of the day, big lies. I beat his ass. Fuck out of here. Everybody go to Warwick tonight. It's lit.
And I was
Let's
with
get
this
it.
guy every single day. And I never ever saw
Fuck the Haney's!
Pambira, magluluto sana ako pero bigla akong nabasa yung balita dito ni Dan Rafael at i-post niya sa kanyang Twitter account. At ito nga po ay tungkol sa laban kay Ryan Garcia at ito yung laban niya kay Devin Haney. According po sa post ni Dan Rafael sa kanyang Twitter account, ito po ang kanyang sinasabi. Per multiple sources with knowledge of the results, Ryan Garcia tested positive for the banned Ostarine in Evada test related to the Haney fight. Ayan, idol, yung post ni Dan Rafael sa kanyang Twitter account indicating and telling that Ryan Garcia dirty po, marumi po ang kanyang paghahanda para dito sa laban niya kay Devin Haney. At dinagdagan pa po ito ng information saying na yung Ostarine na test po na ginawa kay Ryan Garcia, parehas po nag-fail. Dalawang test po yung ginawa sa kanya, Isa nung April 19 bago yung laban, and then after the fight ng April 20 na parehas na merong nag-positive sa Ostarine. Bawal po ito, PEDS po ito. Sinasabi ng performance enhancing drugs dahil nga po itong Ostarine, it tells muscle to grow. Para siya supplement siya, and nagbabind siya sa mga proteins and then para mag-create at magdagdag ng muscle sa katawan ng isang fighter. So this means that this is illegal po ito at nakakalungkot, dalawang positibo po sa dalawang tests, April 19 at April 20. Definitely napanood niyo yung video na sinasabi ni Ryan Garcia na kesyo sa ashwagandha daw or anything. But I can say na meron pa rin pong tests na ginagawa ngayon, kinakandakta para malaman kung meron pa din yung isa pang PED, pang idol. Dalawa daw po yung sinasabi. Yung isa yung 19 norandrosterone. Meron pa pong analysis dito. At ano naman daw po ito? Itong 19 norandrosterone, isa rin pong ginagamit din po ito. Illegal po ito, bawal po ito sa according sa VADA, dahil ginagamit din po ito ng mga bodybuilders and mainly para po magkaroon ng muscle. So hindi nakakapagtaka kung nag-positive man ito ay malinis na ebidensya and information at ang mga reports nga po nitong si Dan Rafael siguradong accurate. Now, nagbigay po ng konting liwanag dito si Ryan Garcia saying na hindi daw totoo yun. It was puros daw kalokohan lang yung sinasabi niya. But definitely these numbers, so long as ito is ma-clear out, but coming from Dan Rafael, one of the best and legitimate sources when it comes to boxing news and everything. Grabe yung mga insiders nito. Hindi ka magdadalawang isip. Well, nakakalungkot man isipin, Nakakalungkot isipin na nangyayaring ganitong bagay, So, sa sports, especially, nakita na natin na lamang na si Ryan Garcia ng 3.2 pounds and then all of a sudden, nag-positive pa. At yung kanyang ihi na nakitang marumi. But anyway, if marumi talaga. Diba? Kung madaya, madaya talaga. At maaring itong ganitong klaseng pagkakataon magbigay ng hindi magandang imahe sa boxing career at sa persona ni Ryan Garcia. Well, anyway, almost perfect na nga yung kanyang ginawa building dun sa laban and trying to portray as a villain, trying to portray someone na mayroong tililing, and then he was able to knock down 3 times itong si Devin Haney. It was almost perfect, maliban lamang po dun sa weight advantage niya na 3.2 pounds. pero marami nagsasabi na mas mabigat pa daw si Devin Haney sa gabi ng laban, but there were no numbers behind it. At pero biglang nagganito pa. But anyway, yan lamang po yung quick updates natin, at kung tayo po ay makakakuha pa ng ibang information about it, don't worry, at ilalabas din po natin yan. Ciao!